Hi Bean Beauties, Dee Dee Bean here. How are you doing today? Today I have kind of a splurge. I don't know why I did it, because it was fun bag opening, unbagging. This is from Bloomingdales, and it came in a bag, and this bag is how it came, which, you know, I hope it's okay in there. I hope it's okay in there. Let's see. If you get a chance, if you go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave me a comment, I would greatly appreciate it. As I'm trying to get into this bag. Okay, that's nicely wrapped. It's got some pretty tissue, Bloomingdale's tissue. This is how it comes like this, and it says Bloomingdale's, and this is only my second purchase from Bloomingdale's. This purchase is influenced by Dale, from Dale's Addiction, but it is I could never afford anywhere close to the real thing that Dale has in her collection. But I felt that when I saw this bag, I said, oh, this definitely gives me those vibes. It was $98. It's kind of pricey for me. I thought it was kind of fun, and I was willing to go ahead and take a chance on it and try it and see if it could have some fun. Let's see. Was that the regular price? Yeah, I paid. Did I get any discounts on here? Nope, I paid full price, so it better be good. It has this little faux, what's it called? Dust bag. And when you see it, if you ever watch Dale's Addictions, you will know why and which bag exactly. Look at that. Do you know which bag it is? It's her Fendi Baguette that is the one that is supposed to be on Sex and the City, which is definitely a much upper class one than this one. Let's see, let me try to get this off. Oh, interesting. Huh. They fed it through the holes all with the plastic, so you can't really take the plastic off because it'll tear everything. Okay, so let's try to. I don't want to ruin the sequence. Cute. Okay, let's try to get this. Here's this. Oh, okay, good. That'll slide off, so that's so cool. Oh, this is kind of cute, though. Okay, I don't know what setting they had it on. It's supposed to be a shoulder bag, but it definitely won't be a shoulder bag for me. I definitely was planning on making it a top handle, use it for a top handle bag. It's called Aqua. That's not the color, it's the name of the bag, is Aqua. Sequin shoulder bag, 100% exclusive to Bloomingdale's. So let's give you a little look. There's no label on here anywhere, on the outside at least. Here's the front of the bag. Here's the side of the bag. Here's the back of the bag, the side of the bag, the bottom of the bag. So you can see here where the sequence doesn't come all the way. It shows the seams. It shows the bottom, you know, on there. But it doesn't look bad because it came up high spot. Trying not to. it looks like the high spot. How you doing? Okay, you can sit there. Um, it doesn't look like it's a mistake. It looks like it's the trim, like the trim. Let's see, what information does this give? 9-inch drop here. The width of the bag is 8 inches. The height is 4.5, and the width is 2 inches deep. So it's a tiny bag. Okay, so the trim is vegan leather. So it's not leather, it's just plastic. Leather. And that is supposed to be 100% Bloomingdale's collection that you won't find anywhere else but Bloomingdale's. So I guess they wanted the exclusive on the kind of a look of a Fendi, the Fendi Baguette. You know, nobody. But it has the little button there. The snap there, is it a magnetic snap? Yeah, it's a magnetic snap. It's a pretty good one. The inside has kind of a deeper purple up here. And, you know, we're not leather. So you're just basically paying for the sequins. The inside, it does have their label. So I guess Aqua is the name of the. Okay, so Aqua is the name of the brand name, Aqua. And then it has one small pocket here, slip pocket. Probably can put a credit card in there. And then otherwise it is just an open compartment. And anything else in here? Nope. You could probably put a small wallet, a lipstick. That's about it that you could put in here. Oh, let me see. I have, let's see. I could put a compact, yeah. I can put a lipstick. I want to put stuff that's not, I don't think I can put not this one. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. Will this, oh, actually, it will fit. This is the Urban Decay palette. So it's yeah, and it doesn't. So you put that in there. It's basically all you can put in there. You can probably slip that on top. So if you put a big wallet, of course it's not going to fit. But you know that that's about the width of it. So but it can put a lipstick, a powder, mascara. It all fits in there well enough. So if you go out on the town and you have this, definitely it's a cutie. Okay, so let's see. So we saw that what fits in there, so I'll take these out. Don't want to mess up the bag. Put this stuffing back in here. Take another tour around the bag. So this definitely was influenced by Dell. Closest I'm going to get to a Fendi Baguette. So it has the colors and the glimmer, the shimmer. So that's my looks like purse. My looks like purse. No, not bad. I mean, it's pretty. And it gives you that vibes, you know, it gives you that vibes. All right. I don't know if it's $98 pretty or worth it. I mean, I'm sure it's all the sequins that you're paying for. But, yeah, overpaid for it. But, oh well, it was fun. It's a fun bag, so let's see how it goes. All right. Thank you so much for visiting me, and I'll see you on the next one. Love y'all. Bye-bye.